Getting started with Power BI, self-service platform that helps you discover, analyze, and visualize data in order to share and collaborate insights with your colleagues. The desktop, the mobile, and the service. The Power BI service is in where we go to create our Power Apps. You can transform data into insights, get your data analyzed, visualized, publish, and collaborate. Get dashboards in minutes. Create powerful reports with Power BI Desktop. Connect to data in the cloud and on-prem. Shape, transform, and clean data for analysis. Join and model data from multiple sources or types. Extend with advanced analytics technologies like R. One-click publish to Power BI. Powerful self-service analysis. The customer case study was on the Miami Heat. To visualize data, drag field names from Fields pane and drop into Report Canvas. In Visualizations pane, select type of visualization you want to create. You can build a dashboard. A dashboard is a one-page visualization created from within Power BI service online. Pin your visuals from reports to create dashboards. Tip: if you are unable to share with a colleague, you may need to check your colleague's licensing.